quantitative aptitude. So look at question number 101 onwards. The table depicts the components of monthly salary of each employee of a private company in 2007. Total earnings of an employee is sum of basic salary, house rent allowance, transport allowance, other allowances. Okay. These basic salary, house rent allowance, transport allowance, other allowances. Net pay of an employee, total earnings minus amount deducted for provident fund plus amount deducted for various taxes. Various taxes means still table is there, guys. These two we need to subtract. First one, what is the difference between total earnings of grade B employee and net pay of grade F employee? Grade B employee total earnings means up to here we need to add 1800, 7200, 9000. This is 12600. 9000 plus 36 means 12600 plus 13200 means 25800. 25800. 1800, 72, 9000, 12600, 13200. Yes, that is total earnings. Then F employee net salary means total earnings minus deductions. So total earnings are 44,000, 8,000, 52,000, 4,000, 56,000, 56 plus 9, 56 plus 9, 65,000, 65,000, 800, 200, 1,000, 65,000 plus 1,000, 66,800. In that 66,800, we need to subtract these two. 2000, 4000, 6000, 400, 900, 1300, 7300, 80, 40, 120, 7420. 7 minus 4, 3. 6 minus 7, 16 minus 7, 9. So 59,380. 13 minus 8, 5. 8 minus 5, 3. Next 5 minus 2, 3. 33,580 is your answer. Fourth option. 33,580. Next. What is the respective ratio between the total earnings of grade A employee and total earnings of grade B employee? So total earnings of grade A employee. 1600, 6400, 8000, 3200, 11,200 plus 9,600 means 20,800. Total earnings. Grade A. Grade B 9,000, 12,600, 25,800. Two zeros will get cancelled. 2 104 times, 2 129 times. 104 is to 129, second option. What is the average number of employees working in all the grades together? Go with the last digit verification. 4 plus 8, 12 plus 4, 16 plus 8, 24 plus 8, 32. Last digit is 2. 6 grades are there. 6 became 2 means multiplying with 2 or 7. Answer ends with either 2 or 7. Only one option is there. 122 is your answer. Last digit verification. Next. Total earnings of an employee in grade C is what percent of the net pay of an employee in grade E? Grade C earnings. These four we need to add. 22 plus 78, 10,000. 16,400 plus 4,600, 21,000. 21 plus 10, 31,000. Grade E, 32,100 plus 6,900, 39,000. 39,000, 42,000, 50,000, 800, 750, 1550, 51,000, 550. 1550 means 51,550 minus deductions. 32, 18, 5,070. 15 minus 7, 8, 4, 11 minus 5, 6, 46,480. Question is what percent of the net pay? 31,000 is what percent of 46,480? 0, 0 gets cancelled. 31,000 is what percent of 44,648? Approximately 70% and below, nearby 70 and below, second option is your answer. 66 2 by 3. Next, if in 2008 amount in each of the components of salary of grade A employee is increased by 10%, what is the net pay received by each employee of grade A in that year? First of all, net salary of grade A employee 1600, 6400, 8000, 9600, 3200 means 12,800 plus 8000, 20,800 minus 960, 820, 1780. So 19,020. 10% increases means 1902 increases 20,922. 20,922. Fifth option is your answer. Next. Total net pay received by 1/19th of the number of employees of grade D together. What is the total net pay received by 1/19th of the number of employees of grade D? Grade D. So first of all, net pay means total earnings minus deductions. 84, 34, 11,800, 5,200, 17,000, 24,000, 41,000 minus 4,000, nothing but 37,000 is the net pay of one employee. So 1/19th of grade D means 1/14th, 1/19th of 1/14, 6 employees net pay, 6 into 37,000, 1,80,000 plus 42, 2,22,000. Both option 2,22,000. Next. Study the sorry. Study the following information carefully to answer the questions. An electronic goods shop had marked the prices of various items for sale in the shop. Price of a laptop is 120% of the price of a TV set. Price of a TV set. Price of a mixture is 75% of the price of a food processor. Price of a food processor. Price of a split AC is 125% of the price of a window AC, which is 60% of the price of a laptop. Price of the food processor is 12,500. Food processor price is 12,500, which is 40% of the price of the TV set. So this 40% value 12,500, then TV set is 100%. So 40% plus 40% plus 20%. 12,500 plus 12,500, 21,000 plus 6,250. 25 plus 6,250 means 31,250. First coming to backward, first means starting of the data. Price of a laptop is 120% of the price of a TV set. 20% extra. 10% 3,125. 20% means 6,250 extra. 31,000 plus 6,000, 37,500. Laptop 37,500. Next, price of a mixer is 75% of the price of a food processor. So 75% means 3/4 of 31,250. 3/4 of 31,250. It's not get cancelled. 12, sorry, price of the mixture is 75% of the price of the food processor. See, food processor price is 12,500. In this, 3/4 of 12,500. 4 threes are 12, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 fives are 6,000, sorry, 9,375. 9,375 mixer price. Next, Sprite of a split AC is 125% of the price of the window AC, which is 60% of the laptop. So window AC is 60% of laptop, 10% 3,750, 60% means 6 times 0, 0, 42 plus 3, 45, 4, 5, 22,500 is window AC. And split AC is 125% of window AC. Means window AC, split AC is 125% means 25% extra, 1/4 extra. 4 5s are 20, 25, 4 6 are 24, 4 2s are 4, 5,625 extra. 22 plus 5,000, 27,000, 500, 600, 1100, 28,125. 28,125 is split AC. These are the prices. First one. If the shopkeeper sold the TV set offering 10% discount, what is the selling price of TV set? TV set 31,250. 10% discount means 3,125 rupees discount. 31 minus 3, 28,125 rupees. Selling price is 28,125 rupees. What is the total price of a laptop, desktop and an iPad together? See, still iPad is there. Price of a desktop is 80% of the price of a laptop. Still we need some more data. Desktop is 80% of laptop. 0, 8 5s are 40, 4 0, 56 plus 4 60, 60, 24 plus 6 30,000. And 75% of the price of an iPad. Desktop is 80% of the laptop and 75% of the iPad. So then iPad nothing but 40,000. If 30,000 is 75%, then 100% nothing but 40,000. First one. Price of laptop, desktop, iPad. Desktop, iPad 70,000. Laptop 37,500. So 1,07,500. Fourth option. Price of a mixer is what percent of the price of a desktop? 9,375 is what percent of 30,000? 9,375 is what percent of 30,000? 300 times 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3 2s are 3 5s are 31.25%. Next, Mr. Raj decided to buy one split AC, one window AC for his house. What will be the total cost if no discount was offered? Split AC, window AC, 50,625. 50,625. Fifth option. What is the difference between the price of a laptop and a TV set? 37 minus 31, 6,250. 6,250. Price of an iPad is more than the price of a TV set by how much percent? By what percent? Percent is more. Difference by less value. 8,750 by less value 31,250 into 100. 0 0 gets cancelled. 25 3s are 75. 125 means 5 times. 25 1s are 25, 62. 25 2s are 25, 5s are 25, 5 times, 4 times, 5 7 times, 7 4s are 28%. Next. Study the following pie chart and answer the information given below, then carefully and answer the questions. Percentage of students passed from 6 schools in 2012. Percentage of students passed from 6 schools in 2012. Schools A, B, C, D, E, F. Total number of students all the 6 schools together in 2012 was 16,400. Next in 2013, 18,200. From which of the following schools the total number of students passed in both the years together was maximum? So we need to add school A, school B, school C, school D, school E, school F. School E 26%, here 21%. So obviously school E is maximum. Why? Because in the first diagram school E is maximum, whereas in second diagram also school E is maximum. So obviously in both the schools together, maximum students only for school E. Total number of students passed from school D in 12 and 13. So 12% of 16,400 plus 12% of 18,200. So in both cases 12% make common. 16 plus 18, 34,600. Answer ends with 2. Answer ends with 2 means second option. Difference between the number of students passed from school A in 2013 and the number of students passed from school B in 2012. A 2013, 14% of 18,200. B 2012, 20% of 16,400. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 0, 8. Answer ends with 8. Answer ends with 8 means third option. Last digit verification. 4 2s are 8. 0 into 4 means 0. It might be 8 minus 0 or 0 minus 8. So which one is more? 0 minus 8 means 2 is there, 2 possibilities. Okay. 14 2s are 28, 2 8, 112 plus 2, 114, 11 4, 14 plus 11, 25. 164, 3,280. So this is extra. 32 minus 25, 700. 80 minus 48, 32. 732 is your answers. Next. Number of students passed from school B in 2012 was approximately equal to the number of students passed from which school in 2013. School B in 2012, 20%. 20% means 3,280. First of all, 3,280 is what percent of 2013, 18,200. Let's calculate. 291 times 216, 40 times 91 ones are 91. So remaining 9 plus 64, 730. 730 means 91 8 times, approximately 18%. In second diagram, 18% belongs to school F. That's your answer. Number of students passed from school C in 2012. 2012 school C, 14% of 16,400. 56, 56, 84 plus 5, 89, 89, 14 plus 8, 2,296. Is approximately what percentage of number of students passed from school E in 2013? 21% of 18,200. 1820 plus 182. 1820 plus 100, 1920 plus 82. 2002. What percentage they are asked to calculate? What percentage they are asked to calculate? E 21%, Sorry, 21%. 10% 1820, 20% 3640, 1% 182, 3822. 2296 is what percent of 3822? 3822. So in 3822, 60% of 4000, 2400. So approximately 60% is your answer. Fifth option. Number of students passed from school A in 2012. School A 2012, 8%, 8 into 164. 1120 plus 32, 1152. Is approximately what percent lesser than the number of students passed from school A in 2013? 14% of 18,200. 14 into 182. 28, 112 plus 2, 114, 2548. Approximately what percent less difference by more value? So 25 minus 11, 1400. 48 minus 52 means minus 4, 1396 by more value 2548 into 100. 10% 254, 4 times 40% 1016 around 1020, 40% value 1020 approximately. Still 396 means still we require 370 extra. 1% 25 point. So 10% 350. So take 50%, denominator half, 50%. In denominator half, 50%, 1274. But I require 1396 means still I require 122. 122 means 1% value 25, 5% value 125. Approximately 55%, nearby 55. So we can say 50%. Next. Study the following table to answer the questions. Population details of 6 cities in 2012. Kolkata, Jaipur, Chandigarh, Baroda, Cuttack, Rohtak. Total population, male to female ratio, percentage of literate, percentage population above 50 years of age. Above 50 years of age. First one. What is the difference between the population above 50 years of age in Cuttack and Rohtak? 56% of 40. 22.4. 56% of 40 means 22.4. 44% of 20, 8.8. So difference is how much? 0.14 minus 8, 6. 11 minus 8, 3. 13.6. Next. Next, see. What is the total population of Baroda and Rohtak up to the age of 50 years? In Baroda, above 50, 48% is, up to 50 means 52% of 60. 52% of 60, nothing but 31.2. Baroda, Rohtak. In Rohtak, 44% is above 50, then up to 50 means 56% of 20. 11.2, total 42.4. First option. If in Jaipur 80% of the male population is literate, what percent of the female population is literate? Jaipur, total 75 lakhs. In this 75 lakhs, male female ratio 8:7. 8 plus 7, 15 parts value 75, 1 part value 5. Males are 40, females are 35 lakhs. And total literates are 70%. 70% of 75. 70% of 75. Total literates 3/4 of 75 or 3/4 of 70. 210 by 4. 210 by 4 means 52.5 total literates. 52.5 total literates. In that total literates, 80% of the male population is literate. Total 52.5. In this 80% are 32 are literates from male. Out of 52.5, 32 from male. So remaining 22.5 are from female. So 22.5 is what percent of 40? 225 by 4. 4 5s are 20. 4 6 are 24. 56 point something. Next. What percentage of the total population of Kolkata and Cuttack together is illiterate? Kolkata and Cuttack together is illiterate. Kolkata 85% literate, illiterate 15%. 15% of 120 means 18. Next one is Cuttack. 80% literate, illiterate 20% of 40 means 8. Out of 120 plus 40, 160. 26 is what percent of 160? 0 0. 2 8s are 2 13s are 2 4s are 2 5s are 65 by 4 16.25. Difference between the total male population of Baroda, Chandigarh together, female population of these two states together. Male and female difference in Baroda and Chandigarh. Baroda, Chandigarh. 17, 15, 32 parts value 80. Difference is 2 parts value 5 lakhs. 32 parts value 80. Difference is 2 parts value 5 lakhs. Next, Baroda. 7 plus 5, 12 parts value 60. Then difference 2 parts value 10 lakhs. Entire difference is 15 lakhs. Next. Study the information and answer the given questions. A desk of 52 cards is given. A deck of cards comprises 4 suits, spade, club, diamond, heart. Each one 13. Spade 13, club 13, diamond 13, heart also 13. Ace cards 4, number 2 cards 4, number 3 cards 4. Like this, jack cards 4, queen 4, jack king also 4. 2 cards are drawn randomly. What is the probability that the face value of both the cards is 10? Both the cards is 10. Means number 10 cards. Total 52 cards are there. 52C. Out of 52 cards, 2 cards are drawn means sample size is 52C2. Then probability of both the cards are of number 10 cards. Number 10 cards are 4 cards. Out of 4 cards, 2 cards we draw 4C2. 4 into 3 by 52 into 51. 3 17 times. 4 13 times. 1 by 221 is your answer. One card is drawn randomly. What is the probability that it is either the king of heart or queen of club? King cards are 4. In these 4 king cards, one is diamond king, heart king, spade king, club king. So heart king is only one card. Like this, club queen also same. Diamond queen, heart queen, spade queen, club queen. So here club queen also one card. So 1 plus 1 out of 52. 2 by 52 means 1 by 26. One card is drawn randomly. After that, another card is drawn randomly. What is the probability that the first is a king and the second is a 7 of spade? 7 of spade. Okay. So first of all, one card is drawn out of 52 cards. That is a king card, 4C1. Already one card is drawn, so remaining 51 cards are there. That is a 7 of spade. Number 7 cards are 4 cards. In those 4 cards, one is diamond 7, heart 7, spade 7, club 7. So 7 of spade means only 1 is there. So that is also 1C1 by 51C1. 4 by 52 into 1 by 51. 4 13 times. So 1 by 663 is your answer. Number series. Number series. Into 1 plus 4 into 2 plus 8 into 3 plus 12 into 4 plus 16 into 5 plus 20 into 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Addition doubles plus 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 16 plus 20. Based on the same logic, you can frame the second series. Next. 5, 20, 55, 180, 735, 365. Into 1 plus 15, into 2 plus 15, into 3 plus 15, into 4 plus 15, into 5 plus 15. Here not 365, that is 3650. 3650. Same logic. Into 1 plus 15, into 2 plus 15, into 3 plus 15, into 4 plus 15, into 5 plus 15. Same logic, you can frame the second series. Next. Into 5 plus 1 square, into 4 plus 2 square, sorry, into 5 plus 1, into 4 plus 2, into 3 plus 3, into 2 plus 4, into 1 plus 5. Multiplier in descending order. Into 5, into 4, into 3, into 2, into 1. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. Into 0.5 plus 2. Into 0.5 plus 2. Into 0.5 plus 4. Into 0.5 plus 8. Into 0.5 plus 16. Into 0.5 plus 32. All are into 0.5 plus 2, into 0.5, into 0.5, into 0.5, into 0.5. Plus 2, plus 4, plus 8, plus 16, plus 32. Into 1 minus 1. Into 2 minus 2. Into 3 minus 3. Into 4 minus 4. Into 5 minus 5. Forty-five, 20, 24, 63, 248, 1239. 45, 20, 24, 63, 248, 1239. Into 1 minus 25, 5 square. Into 2 minus 4 square, 16. Into 3 minus 3 square. Into 4 minus 2 square. Into 5 minus 1 square. Into 1 minus 5 square, into 2 minus 4 square, into 3 minus 3 square, into 4 minus 2 square, into 5 minus 1 square. Next. Study the following graph carefully and answer the given questions. Profit made by 6 companies in 3 consecutive years in crores. 2010, 11, 12. 0 to 140 amount in crores. Companies are A, B, C, D, E, F. What was the total profit earned by company F in 2011? Company F 2011 80 crores. Company A 2012. Company A 2012 55 crores. Total 135 crores. 135 crores. Total profit earned in the given years by which of the following companies was maximum? The maximum height of the bar is for company D. So obviously that is the maximum. Company D has maximum. Which of the following companies made continuous increase in profit over the given years? Increase, decrease, decrease, increase. Continuous increase for company C. Company C. The profit earned by company E in 2011, company E 2011 110 crores is approximately what percentage of the profit earned by company B in 2012? Company B in 2012 means 80. 110 is what percent of 80? 13 8 is 104, 14 8 is 112, approximately 140%. What is the ratio between total profit made by company C in all 3 years? Company C 90, 110, 200, 120, 320 in all 3 years. And the total profit made by company D in all 3 years 100, 130, 230 plus 110, 230 plus 110, 340. 16 is to 17. 16 is to 17. Total profit earned by company C and F together in 2011. C and F together in 2011. 110 and here 80. 190. Approximately what percentage of the profit earned by company D in 2012? 110. 190 is what percent of 110? 11 ones are 11. 80. 11 sevens are 70. 7 approximately 175%. Next, line charts. Refer to the graph and answer the given questions. Number of laptops manufactured by 3 companies PQR during 6 months. Jan to June. If 7%, 4%, 6% of the laptops manufactured by companies PQR respectively in June were defective, what was the total number of defective laptops manufactured by the given companies together in June? Company P in June 500, company Q 350 and company R in June 250. In this defective 7% means 35, 4% means 14, 6% means 15. Total 64 laptops were defective. 64. Total number of laptops manufactured by all the given companies together in May. Given companies together in May. 310, 310 plus 440, 310 plus 440, 750, 750 plus 520, 750 plus 520, 1270. 750 plus 520, 1270. Is what percent more than the total number of laptops manufactured by all the given companies together in January? 180 plus 390 plus 530. 180, 390, 530. 390, 530, 920. 920 plus 180, 1100. Percentage more, difference by less value. Difference 170. Less value 1100 into 100. 11 ones are 11, 60. 11 fives are 55. 15 5 by 11%. Fifth option. The ratio between the base and height of a right angular triangle is 4:3 respectively. If the hypotenuse is 10 centimeters, what is the area of the triangle? Base 4 parts, height 3 parts, then hypotenuse must be 5 parts. Height of the hypotenuse is 10 centimeters, area of the triangle. 5 parts value 10, 4 parts value 8, 3 parts value 6. Half into base into height, 24 square centimeters. Average of 3 odd numbers is 21, total 63. If the difference between the smallest and the largest of these 3 numbers is 18, A plus B plus C, total 63. Difference between the smallest and the largest of these 3 odd numbers is 18. What is the third number? Not possible. With the 3 variables, only 2 equations I am having, it is not possible. A is 6 years elder than B at present. So difference between A and B is 6 years. So today difference is 6 years. It means at any time difference is 6 years only. The ratio of their ages after 6 years will be 5:4. Difference is 1 part. That 1 part value 6 years. Then 5 parts value 5 6 are 30, 4 6 are 24. What is B's present age? 24 years is the age of B after 6 years. After 6 years 24, then present age is 18. 15% of 30% of 40% of a number is 9. What is 2/5 of that number? 15% of 30% of 40% of a number is 9. What is 2/5 of that number? 15% means 3 by 20. 30% means 3 by 10. 40% means 2 by 5 of x is equal to 9. 2/5 of that number means 2/5 of x is how much we need to calculate. 3 3s are 9, 9 get cancelled. So 2/5 of x is equal to 200. The perimeter of a rectangular field is 90. 2 of L plus B is equal to 90. From this we can write down L plus B equal to 45. The ratio between breadth and length of the rectangular field is 1:2. Length and breadth 2:1. Breadth and length is 1:2. Length and breadth is 2:1. 2 plus 1, 3 parts value 45. 1 part value 15. 2 parts value 30. Area of the rectangle length into breadth 30 into 15, 450. 12 women can complete a work in 18 days. 16 men can complete the same work in 9 days. How many days will 6 men and 12 women complete the same work? 6 men, 12 women. We know 12 women can do the work in 18 days. 16 men can do the work in 9 days. Required men by given men, required women by given women. 12 will get cancelled. 3 2s are 3 3s are 2 1s are 2 8s are. 1 by 24 plus 1 by 18, 72 LCM. 72 by 7 means 10 2 by 7 days. 10 2 by 7 days. The difference between the simple and compound interest and a sum of money at the end of 2 years is 20 rupees at the same rate of interest. What is definitely the rate of interest? Only difference given. I don't know what is the principle. Without knowing the principle, we can't say what is the rate of interest. Answer is data inadequate. The average age of 24 students and a teacher together is 15 years. 24 students plus teacher. Average 15 means total 25 members I am having. 375 is the total. Teacher's age is excluded. The average age of only students become 14. 24 students average 14. Then total 24 into 14, 336. Teacher's age 24 will get cancelled. Then teacher's age 375 minus 336, nothing but 39 years. 39 years. A earns 15,000 more than B every month. B's monthly income 20,000 lesser than C's monthly income. Total monthly incomes of A and C together 95,000. What is B's monthly income? A, B, C. If C is X, B's income 20,000 lesser than C. X minus 20,000. A hence 15,000 more than B. X minus 20,000 plus 15,000 means X minus 5,000. Sum of A and C together 95,000. So 2x minus 5,000 is equal to 95,000. 2x is 1 lakh, x is equal to 50,000. B's monthly income means x minus 20. 50 minus 20 means 30,000 is your answer. The ratio between cost prices of two articles A and B 3:5. Let's imagine cost price articles 300, 500. Cost price ratio. Article B was sold with a profit of 20%. 20% profit means selling price 600. Article A also sold at the same price. Same price means at 600 only. What would have been the percent profit only for article A? 300 became 600 means double. Profit is 100%. 100%. Thank you.